Hello children, now we will read about playing with numbers, second part. About first part we have read about the properties. Now we will read about the characterisms. Okay, what? Characterisms. Okay, number represents by letters and we find its value is known as characterisms. Number represents by letters and we find its value is known as characterisms. Example 31A. Okay, then 1A3. Answer is 501. What is the value of A? We do not know. And how it came 501? Okay, now we will find it. See, A plus 3 is equal to 1. See, A plus 3 is equal to 1. Then we will see then how much it will coming, or how much we will do subtraction. Then we will add with 3, then answer will come 1. Okay, see here, A plus 3 is equal to 1, then A is equal to 1 minus 3, then minus 2. Okay, then minus 2 plus 3 is equal to how much? The answer is coming 1. No, it is not. Wrong. Now A plus 3 is equal to 11. Okay, A plus 3 is equal to 11. Then A is equal to 11 minus 3. Then A is equal to 8. Then 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. It is coming. And again we will little go ahead. Okay. Now A plus 3 is equal to 21. Okay. Then A is equal to 21 minus 3. Then here also coming 18. Here also coming 18. Means 18 plus 3 also 21. Here also coming correct. But between these two we will see then how much it will add, then it will come 0. Okay, we have to see also 1 plus A is equal to 0. Okay, first we will keep A is equal to 8. Okay, see here, 8 plus 3 11 1, then here 1. 8 plus 1 how much? 9 plus 1 10. 0 plus 1, then 3 1 4, then 1 5. Okay, now it is coming correct. It is coming correct. Now we will see about 18. Okay, A is equal to 18. How we will keep? Because it is asking about one place. Okay, one place, not about two place. If we will keep 18, then it will be more. Okay, then here it will come 21. Then 18 means 18, 19, 20, 21 it is coming, then 1 it is coming here, then wrong it is. So this is the correct answer. Okay, same next example like this only we will do. Okay, B9 4A 6 5. 9 plus A is equal to 5 and A is equal to 5 minus 9 is equal to minus 4. Negative it is coming means it is wrong. Okay, now you see 9 plus A is equal to 15. A is equal to 15 minus 9, then answer is A is equal to 6. We will put the value here and see 9 plus 6 15, 5 plus 1. Okay, 4 plus 1 2, then 4 plus 2 6. Okay, this is coming correct. Okay, you are asking that your doubt is here B and how we kept here 1. See here, 1 plus B plus 4 is equal to 6. How it came? 15 5, then here it came 1, then here it is 1. Then commonly we will write B plus 4, then 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then B is equal to 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Okay, now I will tell you about some divisibility, tests of divisibility. Okay, what is tests of divisibility? See, divisible by 10. If its unit place is 0, then the number divisible by 10. Okay, if its unit place is 0, then the number divisible by 10. See here, example 10, 30, 70, 900, 850, okay, or 650, unit place always should be 0, then divisible by 10. Okay, now divisible by 9. Okay, first you add all the numbers like ABC means A plus B plus C. Then if sum is multiply by of 9, then divisible by 9. Okay, first you add like this A plus B plus C. If it is 2 digit, then you should see that it should be the multiple of 9. Okay, if it is one place, then always only it should be 9, means other digit means not divisible. See here, 3 4 2, 3 plus 4 plus 2 9. Okay, 3 plus 4 7 plus 2 9, divisible by 9, it is also divisible. Okay, now divisible by 3, same as 9. Okay, all the multiples of 9 is always divisible by 3. Okay, see here, 3 into 3 9. Okay, 9 into 2 18. Okay, then 3 into 6 or 6 into 3 18. Okay, how you are doing adding here, like this you will do add here. Now divisible by 5, if its unit digit is 0 or 5, then divisible by 5. See example 4 5 4 0 3 5 8 0. Okay, now the easiest one, divisible by 2. If the unit place is in even number, then it is divisible by 2. Like 2 4 6 8. 8 is even, so it is divisible by 2. Okay, now 3 4 6. Okay, 2 4 16 248 122. Okay, 7 2 4 6 8. See, unit place is how much? 8, means even number, then divisible by 2. Now divisible by 6. If a number divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Why 2 and 3? I will tell you. See, when 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, so that the number is should be always divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, same number divisible by 2 and 3. How I am telling you? See, 540. Okay, this 0 is divisible by 2 because it is a even number. Now 5 plus 4 plus 9, coming 9, divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 6. Okay, divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 is always divisible by 6. Okay, now I will tell about divisible by 4 and 8. Okay, why I have written here in nearer. Okay, why I have written this one nearer, 4 and 8. You are thinking 4 and 8 are same. No, not, it is not same, but little there is relationship. Okay, if a number last 2 digit, okay, if a number last 2 digit should be multiple of 4, then divisible by 4. Okay, a number is there, means see 224. It last 2 digit should be multiple of 4. See, multiple of 4. Okay, then it is divisible by 4. See example 416, last 2 digit divisible or multiple of 4, then we will do divide, then answer is 106. Okay, easily you can do. Okay, but here you see 6123, this 2 3 is not a multiple of 4, so it is not divisible by 4. Now 8, I am telling, if a number last 3 digit should be divisible by 8 and the remainder is 0, then it is divisible by 8. Okay, in 4 the last 2 digit should be the multiple of 4, and here, okay, in 8 the last 3 digit should be divided by 8 and the remainder should be 0, and there will be a correct quotient with no decimal point, then this is a number is divisible by 8. See, 1728. When 728 is divided by 8, then answer will be 91. See, 7 9 ja means 8 will do 8 9 ja 72, 8 1 ja